In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add autoplay video with sound on Wix. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and you have the site open in the Wix editor. On the left-hand side of the editor, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Look for the plus icon, which is the button you use to add new elements to your page. Go ahead and click on that plus sign on the left. This opens a panel with all the different types of content you can add, like text, images, and more. From that panel, you want to focus on the media options. Find and click on the section labeled Video and Music. This will filter the options so you only see elements related to audio and video. Taking a second to choose the right type of element here will make it much easier to control how your video behaves later. Once you're in the Video and Music section, you'll see different styles of video players and options. Select the video element that best fits your layout. It might be a simple video player that you can drag and drop onto your page. Click on it, and Wix will place that video element in the middle of your page, or wherever your cursor is. In this example, we're going to use a YouTube video. After adding the video element, you'll usually see default content or a placeholder video. That's completely fine. What matters is that you now have a video box on your page that you can connect to your own YouTube link. Click on the video box and a small menu or settings panel will appear near it. Look for the option that says Change Video and click on that. This tells Wix you want to replace the current video with a different one. It will open a window where you can choose the video source. Now, grab the link of the YouTube video you want to use. Make sure it's the full URL from your browser or the share link from YouTube. Go back to the Wix window and in the field provided, paste the video link. Confirm or apply your changes. After that, you can use the video settings to enable autoplay and adjust the sound behavior so that your video automatically plays with audio when visitors land on the page.